Hey everyone, welcome to the Flow Fam channel. Want to see how I use Monday.com to nurture leads automatically? I'll walk you through the exact setup right now, from form submission to automated emails and CRM updates. If you love automations that save hours every week, make sure to subscribe for more tips just like this. So to get started, this is my Monday.com CRM lead capture board. Sorry. But instead of just collecting leads, it actually nurtures them and updates my CRM board automatically. So it all starts here. So this is how I set up my free guide. Mind you, you could find this on our website if you are interested. The 5monday.com fixes that instantly level up your workspace. So I am basing this little tutorial off what I built here. And the way it works is everything starts with this form. So I embed this link on my website. You can embed the form itself on the website. Usually it's better if you keep people in one place instead of asking them to go somewhere else, but it works for me for now. So after they hit give me the guide, a record will be created in the main table. And this is where everything begins. So upon creation, we'll set up an automation, and let's walk through that right now. We're gonna build it right here. So what we're gonna do, start from scratch, and we're looking at when an item is created. So the form is set up to be input into the board. And then when an item is created, the first thing we're going to do is send an email. And so what this email is here, and I have one set up that I will show you, is the initial email sending out your free guide or whatever it is you're sending. So mine says, "Hey there, thanks for grabbing my guide. Here's the link." And this is linked to a Google Drive where they could download and copy and paste the free resource. So they came through here. I got them registered. I got a little quick tip in the email, and also plugging my Calendly to to book meetings. Let's save. Oh, that didn't save. So let's put that in there. Oh, we have to set this up first. Sorry. So it's going to be going to the person in the email column, which the email is required on the form. So we're making sure that we're collecting that. And then we're going to keep going. So after the email is sent, we are going to change the status to download sent. Now, after we do that, we're going to set the date, the follow-up date, to today. And then we're going to do something funky, and we're going to push the date. So you can push it by however many days you want. So for this instance, I'll do 3 days. And then I will add another automation here to create an item in my CRM board. And so I don't have it connected here because it's in a different workspace, but for the sake of this demonstration, I think you guys get the point. So it's going to create an item in the CRM board, which is going to make sure that everyone is in one place. And now you have your follow-up date. So with that follow-up date, what we're going to do is we're going to automate this by saying when follow-up date arrives, and you could do before days, after days, however many days. When follow-up date arrives, then we'll configure another email. And this is usually my, here I'm going to do end status is download sent, because this is going to be our first email. And in this email, what I normally say is, hey, did you get the resource? Did it work okay? Do you need any help? And then what we're going to do is after we send that email, we're going to change the status to follow-up 1 sent. And then we're going to push the due date or the follow-up date by however many days we want. So in this case, maybe 14, 15, let's do 21, set, and that's it. Create that. Now, to create the next follow-up, it's really important. That's why we add this and only if status is download sent. So what we're going to do is, if you want to send the second follow-up, when you build your automation, you'll do when the new date, because we have pushed the date, when the new date arrives, and then you're going to do and only if status is follow-up 1 sent. And then you configure your follow-up 2 like we described. And you could do this over and over and over. So when someone fills out a form or joins the list, they'll land, right where they need to be, and all the automations get you going without you having to lift a finger. And you get to keep track of all these things in one place. So if you have any questions, drop a comment on the video or follow our website to flowfam.co, and you can book a free call where we could chat about how Monday.com automations can help you out. Have a good one.